Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, I'm going to show you guys how to download your favorite memes and effects that you can use on your videos on your YouTube channel. So let's get on it, guys. So first, we're gonna go to our YouTube channel, and then we're gonna search memes that you want to use on your video. So let's try this, guys. Porky's laugh. It's not sound effect. So we're gonna see this, guys. Check which one. So this is the sound of Porky's laugh sound. I'm not gonna hear it, guys, because I'm using my mic. So what you will do is you're not gonna download it, guys, but what you do is you're gonna copy the link. Yes, copy the link, and then go to Google, go back, and then go to Google, and then search the MP3 converter. And then you're gonna click the first one, guys. YouTube to MP3. Let's click it. What you're gonna do is paste, and then you can choose whether you like it to yung kung gusto nyo lang, guys, ng MP3 or MP4. MP3 is just the sound, and the MP4 is if you need the video. So kailangan lang natin yung sound, guys. So MP3, and then convert, and then click the download. We're just gonna wait, guys. Oh, there you go, guys. It's downloading. Download. So we're just gonna, there you go, guys. This is it. That's how it's easy to convert, guys. So ito, guys, ito na yung ating Porky's laugh sound effect. So ganun po download ng sound effect. And then search, like if you want a few minutes later na guys, na memes, ganun din po yung gagawin ninyo. So you're just gonna find the right one, this, and then share, copy link, and then go to Google, MP4, guys. You're gonna press the MP4 and then paste, convert, and we're just gonna wait to download the video, and then download, guys. There you go. Download. Let's open it.
A few moments later.
There you go, guys. That's how it's easy to download your favorite memes and sound effect. So you can do that also, guys, if you are looking for a nice music on your video. YouTube channel na to, guys, is where I get my non-copyright. I'm gonna recommend this to you. NCS music. So ito guys, mga non-copyright music ito guys. You can use this guys. So kung gusto mo naman ng ganito, mga music, ang gawin mo guys is the same also. Share, copy, and then go to your MP3 lang guys kasi it's just a music. So I'm gonna paste it, convert, download. Now it's downloading guys. There you go. That's how you download the music. I just recently discovered this technique, so I just want to share it to you guys para mapaganda nyo rin yung inyong channel. So if you are new to my channel guys, please subscribe to my button, and don't forget to click the bell to be notified every time I upload new videos. So if you like this video guys, just leave a comment and let me know what you think of this video. So see you guys again for another tutorial video. So bye guys.